Welcome to our video showcasing the most powerful machines in the wood industry. Watch as these giants cut, grind, and haul with unmatched precision and strength. Let's dive in. This is the John Deere 959M tracked feller buncher, one of the most powerful machines in the forestry industry. Engineered to handle the toughest challenges, this machine excels at quickly and safely felling large trees with remarkable efficiency. The John Deere 959M is equipped with a robust track system and cutting-edge technology, ensuring maximum performance even on the most challenging and uneven terrain. Its advanced hydraulic system and powerful engine allow it to operate with precision and speed, making it an indispensable tool for forestry professionals. With its reliability, strength, and efficiency, the John Deere 959M is the preferred choice for those who demand the best in forestry equipment, offering unmatched productivity and safety in the field. The TigerCat 870C feller buncher is like a fearless explorer, built to conquer the most challenging terrains with ease. No matter the conditions, this machine charges forward, delivering top-notch performance every step of the way. With its powerful cutting arm and the ability to handle multiple trees at once, the TigerCat 870C ensures that the harvesting process is swift and efficient, without ever compromising on quality. But it's not just about muscle. This machine is also smart. with a design that makes maintenance a breeze, optimizing uptime and keeping operating costs low. The TigerCat 870C is the perfect blend of power and practicality, always ready to tackle whatever the forest throws its way. The Caterpillar 552 Series 2 track harvester is like a skilled dancer in the world of forestry, blending raw power with graceful agility. Designed to thrive in the toughest environments, this machine moves with the strength of its powerful tracks and the precision of its flexible cutting arm, handling even the largest trees with swift accuracy. And when the sun goes down, there's no need to worry. Caterpillar 552 Series 2 lights up the night, continuing its work with a cheerful efficiency, thanks to its advanced lighting system and cutting-edge technology. No matter the challenge, this harvester takes on the task with a smile, bringing a touch of joy to every job. The Komatsu 931XC 8WD harvester is not just a timber harvesting machine, but a giant that knows how to conquer the harshest challenges of nature. With its powerful 8-wheel drive, the Komatsu 931XC is like an untiring warrior, effortlessly traversing any terrain, whether it's rugged paths or dense forests. Beyond merely felling trees, this machine operates with the finesse of an artist, meticulously trimming branches and cutting logs with absolute precision, optimizing the harvesting process to perfection. In all conditions, be it rain or shine, strong winds, or treacherous landscapes, the Komatsu 931XC steadfastly advances, delivering exceptional safety and efficiency in timber harvesting. The Ponzi Scorpion King Harvester is like the crowned monarch of the forest, reigning supreme with a blend of cutting-edge technology and operator comfort. This machine doesn't just work, it thrives, turning the toughest tasks into effortless feats. With its mighty cutting arm, the Scorpion King swiftly conquers even the largest trees, leaving no challenge unmet. Inside its luxurious cabin, operators are treated to a command center of advanced controls, making the workday feel more like a joyride. Day or night, the Ponzi Scorpion King is always ready for action, proudly earning its title as a top choice in the forestry world, and doing it all with a touch of regal flair.